Looking for a smartphone that delivers lightning-fast 5G speeds, powerful performance and a stunning design? Meet the all-new Infinix Note 40 Pro 5G. Today we're talking about the Infinix Note 40 Pro 5G, a smartphone that's not just fast, but a true powerhouse. This is smartphone features, design and display. Premium look, large AMOLED screen and smooth refresh rate. Performance and chipset, 5G connectivity, powerful processor, and seamless multitasking. Camera quality, high-resolution photography, night mode and video stabilization, battery and charging, long-lasting battery, super-fast charging and efficiency. Special features, sound quality, UI enhancements and additional perks. With its sleek and premium design, it stands out in style. The 6.78-inch AMOLED display delivers vibrant colors and a buttery smooth refresh rate for the best viewing experience. Connectivity ensures super-fast internet speeds for browsing, gaming and streaming. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity chipset, this phone is built for smooth multitasking and gaming performance. If you're into photography, the 108 megapixel main camera with